How does one letter ruin 3 lives? The typewriters in Atonement are the most underestimated characters of the movie. From the very first sound to the final twist, the typewriters speak of fate, love, and regret. In this scene, Robbie sits at his desk, struggling to write an apology letter to Cecilia. He looks for the right words, and throughout several drafts, he gets closer to the truth of his complex feelings. The music from the record player adds to the simple, rich analog moment. Robbie uses a Royal 10 typewriter with a picker typeface, 10 characters per inch spacing that makes letters crisp and legible. You might also recognize this model from the 1990 movie Misery, where it plays a much darker character. And more recently, from Taylor Swift music video Fortnite, where it appears to be more vintage and nostalgic. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe for more stories behind typewriters. Royal 10 is a full-size desktop machine. Glossy black finish, round glass-topped keys, and glass side panels that show the mechanism inside, a design introduced after 1923. Royal typewriters weren't just beautiful, they were strongly built. It was reported that when dropped from airplanes with parachutes, most survived without any damage. Famous owners including Hemingway, Truman Capote, Bob Dylan, Stephen King, Ian Fleming, Conan O'Brien, John Williams, and Christopher Nolan. This Royal 10 typewriting scene is poetic, sensual, and intimate. Although Robbie doesn't know yet, this letter will prove him a criminal, even though he's not. A reminder of how powerful words can be when captured in ink. Would you write someone a letter on a typewriter? Let me know in the comments.